Tired of your data looking like a tangled mess? In this video, we're diving into Looker Studio to transform the chaos into clear, actionable insights in just a minute and a half. First, ensure your data source, whether it's Google Sheets, BigQuery, or another platform, is properly connected to Looker Studio. You can do this by clicking Create, then Data Source and selecting your chosen connector. Once connected, visualize your data by clicking Add a Chart. Looker Studio offers a variety of charts, including bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and scorecards. Choose the chart type that best represents the data you want to analyze. Now, configure your chart by dragging and dropping dimensions and metrics into their respective fields. Dimensions are your categories, like product name or date, while metrics are the quantifiable values, such as sales or clicks. To narrow your focus, use filters. Click on your chart, then in the Properties panel, add a filter to include or exclude specific data. You can also add filter controls to your report, allowing viewers to interactively filter the data themselves. Want to derive new metrics from existing data? Create calculated fields. In the Properties panel, find the Add Metric option and then create a new field. Here, you can use formulas and functions to calculate things like profit margin or conversion rate. Arrange your charts and controls to create a comprehensive dashboard. Remember to keep it clean and easy to understand. Use titles and labels to clearly communicate the story your data is telling. Finally, share your insights. Click the Share button to grant access to colleagues or clients. You can also schedule email deliveries to keep everyone informed with the latest data trends.